Internal quality control. What is internal quality control? Internal quality control (IQC) assesses in real time whether the performance of an individual laboratory or testing site is insufficiently similar to their precision performed for results to be used. In it controls reproducibility, precision, and facilitate continuously of a patient care over time. What are four types of quality control? There are several methods of quality controls. These indicates an X bar chart, 6 sigma, 100% inspection mode. Takaguchi method. What is internal and external QC? The internal QC monitors the daily precision and accuracy of methodologist, personnel, and instrument. The external QC maintains long-term accuracy. What is internal QC testing? The internal laboratory quality control QC testing is performed within the laboratory to monitor and ensures the reliability of the test results produced by the laboratory. The control material, usually liquid control, are used to monitor the test system and verify the quality patient test results have been attained. What are three types of quality control? Pre-productions, inline, final. There are varieties of details that must be inspected and approved during each phase in order to detect and correct quality problems. What are internal quality? The internal quality has to do with the way that the system has been constructed. It is much more granular measure and considered the things like clean code, complexity, duplications, components. This quality can be measured through the predefined standard in lining tools unit test. How do we perform internal quality control? The main objectives of internal quality control is to ensure day-to-day consistency of an analytical process, and thus helps to determine whether patient results are reliable enough to released. The required quality and assay performed varies between analyte, as does the definition of clinical significant errors. What is internal quality control process? Incoming quality control is the process of controlling the quality of materials and part of manufacturing a product before production begins. With the incoming inspections, you can control for quality even before conducting a first article inspections or during production inspections. Importance of internal quality control. The main objectives of internal quality control (IQC) is to ensure day-to-day consistency of an analytical process, and thus helps to determine whether the patient results are reliable enough to be released. The required quality and assay performance varies between the analytical, as does the definition of clinical significance error.